In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Monday versus Asana, new research. If you're comparing modern work platforms, this walkthrough will give you a clear, practical understanding of how each one approaches productivity, collaboration, automation, and AI. By the end, you'll know which strengths map best to your team's needs and what to watch for as you evaluate them. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, aiming to pull your work into one place so you can save money, time, and context. The problem it's designed to solve is what it calls work sprawl, when tasks, docs, messages, and updates are scattered across tools, making it easy to lose track of what matters. ClickUp's answer centers on ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant built into the platform. It provides ambient answers by surfacing relevant information where you're working, manages projects, and offers AI talk to text so you can dictate and draft updates faster, with the promise of typing up to 4 times quicker. Beyond that, ClickUp leans into specialized AI agents. Think of them as role-based helpers, a project management agent that tracks deliverables and timelines, a marketing agent that drafts copy, and a software agent that supports code-related work. There are also agents focused on operations and employee experience. Together, they're designed to take on status check-ins, reduce manual updates, and help close the gap between strategy and execution. The platform highlights enterprise-grade security, including compliance with global standards such as SOC 2 and GDPR, and it's used by a large number of teams worldwide. The company reports a 384% return on investment, significant hours saved, and rapid payback, figures you should view as directional benchmarks to validate in your own environment. In short, ClickUp is ideal if you want a powerful, AI-forward, all-in-one system that centralizes tasks, docs, whiteboards, and goals, and gives every department assistance that's tuned to how they work. Next, Monday.com presents itself as a single platform for managing all your work, with tailored products for marketing, sales, development, and service teams. The core idea is flexibility and visibility. You can build workflows that fit your processes, automate routine steps, and bring data into one place so decisions are more informed. Teams appreciate Monday.com for its clean, highly visual interface, boards, timelines, dashboards, and for how simple it is to set up automations like status updates, handoffs, and reminders without heavy configuration. It's known for strong collaboration features, helping reduce back and forth by keeping communication close to the work. Integration options make it easier to connect the tools you already use, so you can streamline without throwing away your existing ecosystem. The platform is recognized as a market leader and cites a 345% uplift in ROI in independent analyses. In practice, Monday.com shines when you want a modular platform that scales across departments but remains intuitive for non-technical users. It's a good fit if you want to standardize processes, create a shared source of truth, and keep adoption friction low. Finally, Asana is built around human and AI collaboration to help teams manage projects, tasks, and cross-functional workflows. Asana AI introduces AI teammates and smart assists that learn from your context and improve over time. That means it can help draft and refine tasks, suggest next steps, and keep work aligned to broader goals as your usage grows. Asana's strength is clarity at scale, specialized capabilities for project management, workflows, and resource management are paired with solutions for marketing, operations, and IT. It's designed to connect daily work directly to strategic outcomes, so you can see how tasks roll up to objectives and measure progress with confidence. With support for over 300 integrations, Asana serves as a central hub for complex use cases like creative production, product launches, and employee onboarding. It's widely adopted in large enterprises, recognized by major analyst reports, and used by a significant portion of Fortune 100 companies. If your priority is alignment, keeping everyone clear on priorities, responsibilities, and timelines, Asana delivers mature features like goals, portfolios, and workload views that make this easier. So how do you decide among them? If your organization wants a comprehensive platform that leans heavily on AI to reduce manual updates and unify tools, ClickUp's breadth and its AI agents make it compelling. Its approach can help teams that struggle with fragmentation and want everything, tasks, docs, goals, and knowledge, in one place. If your teams value an interface that's quick to learn, with visual boards and automations that are straightforward to configure, Monday.com stands out. It's particularly effective when you need to scale standardized processes across multiple departments without overwhelming users. If your focus is rigorous coordination across projects and tying work to strategic goals, Asana's structure and enterprise adoption record are strong signals. Its AI features support clarity and accountability, helping large teams move in the same direction without losing sight of outcomes. Across all three, integrations are a major advantage. Each platform connects to popular tools so you can reduce copy-paste work and keep data synchronized. Automation is another consistent theme, with each platform offering ways to replace repetitive steps with triggers and rules. And on security, all three are built for serious business use. That said, confirm certifications and controls that matter to your organization's policies and industry. When you evaluate, map the core workflows you need to support: project intake, cross-team handoffs, approvals, reporting, and resource planning, and see which platform matches those patterns with the least customization. Consider how deeply you want AI embedded in day-to-day work, the level of governance you need, and the ease of onboarding for your team's range of technical comfort. Finally, treat ROI claims as starting points. Your real return will come from how well the platform fits your processes and how consistently your teams use it. That's the comparison. If you found value in today's video, hit like, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe for more practical breakdowns just like this.